Gaur is the largest member of the bovine family. There are 3 subspecies of gaur that can be found in Nepal and India: Indian bison, Thailand and Malaysia, Malaysian bison, and from Myanmar to China, Southeast Asian bison. Gaur inhabits evergreen and deciduous forests, up to 6,000 feet altitude. Great percent of their habitat has been destroyed in the last couple of decades, leading to dramatic decline, 70%, in the population of the wild gaurs. Poaching is another factor that affects their survival. Gaurs are listed as vulnerable species, may become endangered in the near future. Interesting Gaur facts. Gaur is the largest representative of the wild cattle. Males weigh between 1,400 and 2,200 pounds. They can reach 8 to 11 feet in length and from 5 to 7 feet at the height at shoulder. Females reach only 1/4 of the male's size. Body of gaur is covered with reddish to brown coat. Females and young animals have lighter coats than males. Both males and females have upwardly curved horns. They can reach 45 inches in length. They are usually green or yellow in color, with black tips. Gaurs have deep hollow area on the forehead and ridge that passes between the horns. Large ears are another prominent feature on their head. Gaurs are herbivores, plant eaters. Their diet consists of grass, leaves, shoots and fruit. Gaurs are diurnal animals, active during the day. They are mainly active early in the morning and late in the afternoon. In areas close to humans, gaurs can change their normal routine and become nocturnal animal, active during the night. Due to their large size, gaurs do not have a lot of enemies. Tigers and crocodiles, besides humans, are their main predators. Gaurs live in a group, herd, composed of usually 8-11 animals, rarely up to 40. These groups consist of one dominant male and females. Gaurs live in matriarchate, which means that group has a female leader. During dry season, gaurs live in small groups, residing on the smaller altitudes. During monsoon season, they gather in large groups and move toward the hills. Gaurs are territorial animals. One group requires territory of around 30 square miles. Gaurs produce different type of sounds for communication. High-pitched growling is used as alarm call to inform other members of the group about upcoming danger. Roaring calls are produced during mating season. Gaurs are known for their bad temper. Even unprovoked, gaur can attack and inflict deadly injuries using its horns. Gaurs usually mate from December to June. Dominance between males is determined by their size. The most dominant, the biggest, male gets opportunity to mate with females in one group. Pregnancy in females lasts 275 days and ends with one baby, calf. Gaur can survive up to 30 years in captivity.